Hi everybody, welcome back to Maths, another brand new week. Now, we're really busy today. We're going to be looking some more this afternoon at combining numbers using our part wholes. And we're going to start today using our tens frame. So before we get going, there are a couple of things that I need you to get. Number one, your counting objects. Number two, your part whole model. And number three, your tens frame. Okay, so if you've not got those already, press pause now and go and get them. So all you need for this first bit are your counting objects. So if you've got those handy, brilliant. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you some hidden numerals. These are numerals behind me here. The squiggles, the shapes that tell us a number of things. So I've got some hidden, and I'm going to show you them bit by bit by bit. And as soon as you know what it is, I want you to make it with your counting objects. So if I show you a 2, I want you to represent that with 2 counting objects. If I show you a 6 counting objects. Now, the thing that you have to keep in mind here is how the numerals are written. Some have curly bits, some are straight. Some have a bit of both. Let's have a look. Okay, everybody, here we go. So, hidden behind here is a numeral. As soon as you know what it is, see if you can make it with your counting objects. Today, I've got cubes. These are my counting objects today. You might have something different, and that's okay. Okay, I'm going to get some ready because I'm going to make it as well. Are you ready? Here we go. So, remember what numerals look like. Does that help? That's a bit of a curly bit there. What could that be? Has anybody made theirs yet? I don't really know what it is. Okay, I'll reveal a little bit more. Oh, that looks a little bit like the curl on an 8, but it's not joined up here, is it? Could this be? Are you ready? I'm going to show you all of it now. If you've not already made yours, see if you can make it now. Shout the number name at me. 2. Well done. So I'm going to represent 2 with my counting objects. 1, 2. There we go. The numeral 2, 2 counting objects. Good job. Okay, let's go again. Okay, are you ready? Counting objects handy? Good. Here's the numeral. Let me show you the first bit. That's a straight line, isn't it? A straight line at the top. There are 2 numerals that have got a straight line at the top. Yes, that's right. A 7 or a 5. I wonder which one of these it could be. Let me show you a bit more. There's another bit of a straight line. That doesn't look like the number 7 though, does it? That straight line there goes off. Doesn't go straight down. What was the other one I said? Oh yes, it could be a 5. Let's have a look. I'll reveal a bit more. Ooh, now we've got a curl. Straight lines and a curl. I bet you know what this is now, don't you? You ready? I'll reveal all of it. You shout its name at me. 5. Well done. Okay, represent 5 with your counting objects. I'm going to have a go too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent job, everybody. Well done. Okay, we're going to do one last hidden numeral before we carry on. Okay, here we go. I'm ready. Got my counting objects. I've got my numeral. I'm going to show you the first little bit. You ready? So, detectives, I hope you're ready. We're having a look to see whether it's curly or straight. Curly. Do you know, I think we've seen this one before. Doesn't that look like the numeral 2 at the top? It looks just the same. Curls at the top. Let's see if it carries on being the numeral 2. Let me show you a bit more. Oh. It doesn't. It goes in and then it comes back out again. What numeral is that? It's all curly. There's no straight bits here so far. Do you have any ideas? You do? Okay, I'll show you what it is. You shout it at the screen with me. Are you ready? Steady. 3. That's right, the numeral 3. It's all curly. Right, if you haven't already, represent 3 with your counting objects. 1, 2, 3. Excellent job, boys and girls. Well done. Good job with that game, everybody. Well done. Right, are you ready to get started? You are. First job. This is really important because I can't put it in my video for you. Okay, so you're going to have to go watch it by yourselves. I want you to find for me on CBeebies iPlayer a number block episode. It's very important because we're going to be doing some calculating with the number blocks today. So the episode is called Number Blocks Castle. You grown-ups had it on their email yesterday. Number Blocks Castle. Have a watch. Did you enjoy that episode? I certainly did. I do like that one with the number block castle. And it got me thinking, you know, in the episode, how they are combining numbers all over the place to solve problems. I thought we could have a go at that too. So I'm going to show you some pictures now, and you'll need your part whole and your counting objects. Are you ready? Do you remember this bit at the beginning of the episode when the number blocks were trying to get inside the number block castle? Number 4 couldn't reach the lever for the drawbridge because he wasn't big enough. He didn't have enough blocks. How many blocks did he need to be? Yes, that's right. He needed to be 5. 5 is our whole. 4 is a part. What we're going to find out is what the other part might be. Here's what I'd like you to do. On your part whole, can you represent 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in your whole. Well done. Okay, now let's see if you can move that group of 5. So you have one part with 4 and another part with something else. Press pause and see if you can work it out. Okay, what did you think? What were the 2 parts that the number blocks put together to equal 5? That's right. 4 was a part and 1 was a part. The whole was 5. Here is my part whole. So you can see here my 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, did you do the same as me? Did you take your 4 and put them in one of the parts? This part here represents the number block 4 from the story. 4 is a part, you say. 4 is a part. And then we have this one left here. So this one here must be the other part we need to equal 5. 4 is a part, and 1 is a part. You say, boys and girls. 4 is a part, and 1 is a part. 4 plus 1 equals 5. And the number blocks did the same, didn't they? Now, they've written it down slightly differently. Can you see at the top of the screen there? They've written numerals and some symbols. We've also got our blocks there to help us. You say with me, 4 is a part. 1 is a part. The whole is 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Brilliant. Well done, boys and girls. Great puzzle solving there. Here, everybody, is the next puzzle. Once they got inside the number block castle, they had another number block to make. They needed number block 6, but they don't have number block 6. But by combining themselves, they can equal 6. 6 is our whole. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the whole. I wonder, what parts might we have to equal 6? Press pause. Let's see if you can equal 6 using the number blocks that we can see. Okay, could you find a way of equaling 6 with the number blocks that were there? You did? Well done. Should we have a look at mine and see what I came up with? Here is my part whole. Can you see my 6? Because 6 was the whole, 6 was the number that we were looking for. Now, if I remember rightly, we have the number blocks 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we need to equal 6. And we've only got 1, 2 parts. I'm going to choose the big number block, I think. The biggest one that we have. The one that has the most blocks. That was number 4, wasn't it? So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks in here. 4 is a part. You say. 4 is a part. How many blocks have we got left here? That's right, there are 2. So here is our other part. 2 is a part. You say. 4 is a part, and 2 is a part. The whole is 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Well done, everyone. And here we have the number blocks. You can see they've written the calculation at the top of the screen again with numerals and symbols. But it's just the same as what we've done with our part, whole. I say, you say. 4 is a part. 2 is a part. The whole is 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Well done, boys and girls. I have one final puzzle for you. So here is our last puzzle. Now you can see down there at the bottom, the picture. The number blocks are puzzling over how to equal 7. Now to equal 5, we use number block 4 and number block 1. 4 plus 1 equals 5. To make number block 6, we used 4 again, but this time we use number block 2 as well. And 4 plus 2 equals 6. I wonder if our whole is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the whole. If we're trying to equal 7, which of those number blocks can we use to combine to equal 7? Press pause. See if you can find the two parts that equal 7. How did you do? Did you come up with two parts that equaled 7 using the number blocks that we could see? You did? Well done. Shall we see if you did the same as me? Here is my part whole. And here you can see 7. 7 is the whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You might be a clever clogs and you might have noticed that I've got a group of 6 and one more for my 7. Now, we needed to use our number blocks as our parts to equal 7. Now we had the number blocks 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Last time we started with 4, so I think I shall do that too. I'm going to make 4 one of my parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is a part, you say. Well done. And can you see what's left here? That's right, we've got 3. So if we make 1, 2, 3 a part, you say 3 is a part. 4 is a part, and 3 is a part. Do we have any counting objects left here? We don't, do we? So we must have used them all. 4 is a part, and 3 is a part. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Well done, everyone. And here again you can see our number blocks have written it as a calculation with numerals and symbols. But it's just the same as we've done with our part whole. I say, you say. 4 is a part. 3 is a part. The whole is 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Good job, everybody. I wonder, what other numbers can you make with the number blocks 1, 2, 3, and 4? Have a go with your part wholes and send us some pictures. Bye for now. I'll see you tomorrow.